Hello everybody, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to Hu's Kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make something even quicker, faster, and more delicious. And we'll only need 2 vegetables. So I'm just getting in the dish straight away. As you can see on my bunch, I got 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped, and I have about 8 pieces of lettuce leaves. That's literally all we need. Now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. So in my bowl, I'm going to put in the dry ingredient first. So first of all, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then 100 milliliters of water. I'm just going to give everything a quick mix. Make sure all the corn flour is mixed in. Yeah, that's the sauce done. So behind me, I got some boiling hot water on the go. I'm going to add in tiny bit of oil, just about 1/4 teaspoon, and a pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna put all the lettuce in, just boil them for about 30 seconds and get them out straight away. So after 30 seconds, I got my lettuce out and emptied my pan. Now I'm going to heat the pan up. And now I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to add in the garlic. And we are going to fry the garlic under a medium heat for about 30 seconds. Then we're just going to quickly mix everything in and add the sauce straight in the pan. So we are going to cook the sauce until it starts to turn thick. As you can see, just started to turn thick. And we're going to turn it off and put it on the side. Now I'm going to plate it up. Here is my super quick 蒜香生菜 lettuce in garlic sauce. Now is the most important part. Try my food. Smells so good. So I would probably say depends on the portion of the dish. It can be cooked as a main course or a side dish. Although this dish is really simple and super fast to make, it's a favorite dish right across China. Right, that's the end of this video. I hope you are going to give this super fast dish a try. I will see you all next Friday. Bye! Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you want to know what's going on next week, tap the bell.